Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to add money to PayPal account. First of all, open PayPal on your phone. After opening the app, all you have to do is go to the wallet section on the bottom right corner. Go to your wallet. On this section, you have to select your bank or your credit card or debit card to add money into your PayPal account. If you haven't already added any bank account or any card into your PayPal, so all you have to do is click on add new and add banks or debit and credit cards, or you can also add Amex Send account. After linking your bank account with PayPal, all you have to do is to click on add money. On this page, you have to type in the amount that you want to add into your PayPal account and then click on next. Now it will ask you from which account do you want to add your money into your PayPal. From here you can select the added banks or the cards that you have already added or linked with your PayPal account. Once you selected the correct bank, click on add money, and after that your money will be added into your PayPal balance. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.